Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about a surgery with a very interesting name, Brazilian butt lift. And the name sounds as if this surgery has been originated from Brazil, and of course it involves certain lifting of the butts. But there is neither it is Brazilian nor this is a butt lift. So what is this surgery? Hi, I am Dr. Lokesh Handa, Senior Consultant Plastic Surgeon practicing in South Delhi. So this Brazilian butt lift, or commonly known as BBL, is basically the augmentation of the gluteal region or the butt region by fat transfer. So from where this fat is obtained from your own body. So from your own body fat, it is transferred from one part to the another where there is some augmentation required. Now, why this augmentation or the increase in size of the butt is required? This is required for those people who have, because of certain weight loss, they have some saggy skin in the butt area, or their butts are deflated, or their butts are not in a proper shape, they are not rounded, or there are some hip tips in the hip area. To increase the size of the butts and to augment them, that's why we need the butt augmentation, and we do it by the most common procedure, that is the fat transfer. And this fat, it is obtained by doing liposuction of the abdomen or from the thighs. Most commonly it is the abdominal region from where the fat is harvested. And liposuction, I have already explained in my previous videos what is the process of liposuction, and you can go to those videos to check in detail what liposuction is. And once the fat is obtained, then we transfer that fat in a very sterile manner into the butt areas of whatsoever amount is required in that area to create that rounded and curvy butts. And of course these are always desired, particularly by the females, where they want to have a very good figure with a roundy curvy butt. The whole procedure, it usually takes around, you can say, roughly 3 or maximum 4 hours, and the amount of fat that is transferred, that usually ranges from 300-400 cc to up to maybe 800 cc or 1 liter of fat, which needs to be transferred to those areas. And what is the recovery time now for this surgery? The recovery time is usually, you can say, 3 weeks to 4 weeks, though you can start your normal routine activities after 4 to 5 days, but the complete recovery takes around 1 month time. The main and the important thing about the recovery is that you don't have to lie on the butt part. Okay, so you have to lie on your belly whenever you have to sleep, so that the pressure is not there on the butt area, as with the pressure the fat can be lost. And after 1 month, once the fat is deposited, fat has gained its blood supply, and it is now there to be in the region of the butt, then you can start your even exercises, and you can even start lying down on the butt area. And one more thing that you have to remember while undergoing this procedure is that the amount of fat that we transfer in the butt area, it's usually like 30 or 40% of the fat is lost once the fat has, after 1 month time, once the fat has been completely deposited, because the fat, it gets dissolved in the body. And let's say if we have transferred 400 cc of fat, maybe 250 to 300 cc of fat will be retained. And that's why sometimes we overfill in the area. If you require 400, then we may fill the butt area with 500 or 600 cc, so that even if it gets dissolved, so that the amount of fat that you need, that still retains in the body. So these are certain important points that I wanted to highlight in the Brazilian butt lift surgery. And if you have any further queries on the Brazilian butt lift, so you're most welcome to call at the numbers mentioned below. Thank you.